Okay, this is super important. Welcome back to another episode. Afro Senpai here. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to the channel. I make videos about building wealth along with a positive mindset because I believe everybody deserves to be happy and everybody deserves to be free. Also, feel free to check out the Facebook group, Investing for Beginners, Positive Vibes Only. Information in the description. Let's go. So some things that you're going to need to have handy is your basic contact info, social security number, email address, annual salary, estimated net worth, your banking info, and your employer's information. So we're going to be at Vanguard.com. We're going to click on open an account in the top right corner. And you're going to open a new account. And for opening a new account, we're just going to say that I want to transfer money from my current bank over to Vanguard. And because I'm new here, I'm going to say I do not have a login. And this just recaps some things that you need that I've already covered in the beginning. Because we're setting up a Roth, we're going to click on Retirement, scroll down and click on Roth IRA. Okay, next we're going to talk about our standard information. And real quick, comment below if you know what Nickelodeon cartoon from the 90s features the character Smash Adams. But this is standard information. What's my name, common email, date of birth, social security, all that fun stuff. So you see how the continue button, it's gray, and you think, what, did I enter something wrong? Just click outside of an input box. And after you click, the continue button will then appear as clickable. Okay, again, standard information. It's just recapping, saying, is this correct? So here, you're gonna pick your login information. You set your own username. I just had Vanguard generate its own password for me because I'm not gonna remember this. And it's just a fake account anyway. Going down there and clicking that box saying I agree, that I want everything e-delivered. So they're gonna send everything to my email because nobody wants paper anymore. Okay, folks, we're about halfway through it, and I know this has been really grueling, but comment below the word investor if this stuff is making sense. I want to showcase that anybody can open up these types of accounts and become investors. It's just this quick and simple to do. So again, if you're feeling good, if you're feeling confident, if you're ready to become an investor, I need you to comment below right now the word investor. Let's go. This is some security questions. Okay, so here I have to provide some bank information. Yes, that is the real routing number to Ally Bank. You can Google this stuff if you don't know your routing number. It is public knowledge. That account number, however, is super fake. I just needed to provide a real routing number, otherwise it wouldn't let me proceed. Then we're clicking on the fact that we want to move funds from Ally into my new investing account. I'm funding this with $100. Okay, this is the part where we talk about our employer, standard information such as address, phone number, yada yada. Okay, this is super important. The first three boxes are basically asking, are you related to anybody associated with Vanguard, and or do you have any connection with stock market happenings? And so we have to click on none of these apply to us, assuming none of them apply to us. Okay, we click, and now see, I put in for my employer McDonald's. I'm a burger flipper, okay? And then they're gonna ask me, is this McDonald's or is this McDonald's Investing LLC? And if I clicked on the McDonald's Investing LLC, they might try to flag me and say, hey, give me some more information about this company. So it's just straight up McDonald's, not connected to the stock market anyway whatsoever. We're not trying to cook the books. We're just trying to cook up some McChickens. Okay, so next we are providing our income. So whatever your annual income is. Now for net worth, because This channel is all about having a mindset of what's going to happen in the future. And because this is a fake account, I put a $1 million net worth. Please put your real net worth in, not what you want your net worth to be, but what your actual net worth is. And then if you don't know about net worth, that is assets, so my money coming in, minus my liabilities, which is like student loans, car payments, mortgage payments, all that, yada, yada. The difference of that is your net worth. So we're gonna click. Next, it's going to ask you, where are you going to be bringing money in from to fund this account in the future? And so typically it's my wages and my salary that's funding this account. And for indicating your goals, since we are doing a retirement account, we're going to go with, we want to preserve our capital, and maybe we want some income because this is our nest egg for when we don't want to do anything. You can also select growth. Really doesn't matter too much when setting up your initial account. And then this is just reviewing your application. Here's everything that you just said. Last click. This is everything that we talked about. This is everything you're agreeing to. And then you're going to e-sign. And then guess what, folks? Guess what happens after that? I believe in you. You got this. And until the next one, remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.